Alhamdulillah, we are here tonight in Amman packing our food parcels for the Syrians, for you guys that donated towards the food parcels. We have raised around £15,000 to distribute to Syrians and Palestinians and Jordanians living in Jordan. And we are here tonight and we'll show you what's in the bags, what's in the boxes. We made some boxes here as well. As you can see, these are boxes and our labels are on there, all funded by the brothers that are working here. And we'll go around right now and show you what's in the bags.
لا لا لم نخلق عبثا حاشانا بل لنعمرها دنيانا لنمهد دربا كي يأتي جيل يستكمل ما كان لا لا لن تسكن همتنا ما دامت فينا غايتنا أن نحيا في الكون كراما إحسان يتلو الإحسان عبثا حاشانا.
So here we're getting 150 bags ready here. All these bags are getting ready to get labeled and they're going to get they're going to get tied up here. And then we got 100 boxes as well. At some areas we want to distribute boxes, some bags, depending on the location. On Friday morning we'll be in Mafraq and tomorrow we'll be in Ghor, where the Palestinian refugees are and where the Syrian refugees are, near the Syrian border here in Amman, Jordan. Once again, Jazakallah khairan to everyone that donated and supported us in this blessed month of Ramadan, and all those people that donated, from all the volunteers that raised money, from Brother Fiaz, Usman, Kesser, Zakaria, Hassan, Atif, all these brothers put time into this to raise money, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless them. And all those other fundraisers like the Ark Academy in Bradford that raised over around £4,000 to £5,000 for this cause, for the Palestinians and Syrians, and other fundraisers that we did in the month of Ramadan. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you all and accept it from us in the blessed month of Ramadan. Assalamu alaikum.